everyone, welcome back to Quang MKT, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm going to show you the interacting and seeding function of pages on Facebook. So now let's get to the point. So look at the main screen here. Today, we're going to the interaction function and then seeding functions like profiles or groups, seeding and interaction. About pages, we also have the interacting function as well as seeding function. So first of all, about the interaction function, firstly, we will choose the account which contains a lot of pages. For example, with the first account with the name Quang MKT and I have 7 pages, okay, I will choose it. And we set up the script, okay, about the script name, I will go for interaction. And about the total interaction actions, you see, this is all the action that you want all the pages to do. Okay, for example, we have the new feed interaction, group interaction, and page interaction. Or if you have the existing script, you should edit it if you need it. Okay, and you select the script, but here no option because I have no script before. We can choose the delay time from the auto-generate comments with AI. If you click on that, the AI will auto-generate the comments for you. Do not interact with the same action twice. This is a shoot, okay? And check and uncheck all action is based on you. For example, like this, if you check all the action, it will be like this. You see? All are checked, okay? So if you want to modify it, just turn it off. About the new feed interaction, if you want to read the notification, click on that, serve the stories, serve new feeds. I will go for a 40 second new feeds, okay. Like new feeds post, 3 to 5 posts, comments on new feeds from 2 to 3 posts and comment. On that, you will comment. Okay. Watch each video for serve videos on watch based on you, Okay. What about the group interaction? Can control multiple pages to join a lot of groups. Okay. Group by group. Serve the group from 20 to 40 seconds. And if you see on that, you have to enter the post comment. Okay, hello, Quang MKT. How many group? If you want, invite friends or reply to post comments. The existing comments of the post, and we reply it. We use a lot of page to reply it. Leave the group if you want, and leave a group that require post approval. Each group from okay. This is the ID, okay? So if you want to choose the group ID, you should enter the group ID over here. But if you want to account group, that is different but the same because you don't have to enter the group ID anymore. Stick on the box to choose whatever you want. As well as the last one, page interaction. Serve the page, like the page, follow the page, like page post, invite friends to like the pages. Invite friends to follow the page as well as invite friends to like post on the page. You see over here. It's very detailed, right? Based on your number, okay, and your demand. And finally, let's check again the total interaction actions. You see, we have a lot of action here like read notification 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The checkbox is one action. Remember? So we have a lot. So I will choose random 10. Okay. Let's go to the interaction configuration. We choose the script as we just created and set up the general configuration. Switch account on consecutive arrows maybe 5 times. As usual, automatically account information not needed. Repeat interaction process not needed. pause interaction after completing one round. 5 minutes or 2 minutes based on you, okay? And you stick all the pages or randomly choose some pages. And with the setup description, we choose to start. With a few seconds, every action will be done automatically for you. Remember, the process will be embedded, and this will show you the result here in the process log field as well as the result, success or not, okay? So what about the seeding function? Firstly, we choose the account, okay? As usual, we choose the account that contains a lot of pages. Let's go to the general configuration, as I mentioned. About the content configuration, if you use available content, you should choose the content. As I have mentioned before, about the seeding function, we cannot use a post, we just have to use the command type, okay? And I prepare a lot of commands over here, and we save. If you want to use AI, you don't need to choose the content, okay? Allow the duplicate content between accounts, okay? And I will comment in random order. Or our seeding configuration, you want to seed profile or post or video, live stream or reels. For example, I will use multiple pages to seeding a profile. This profile will be personal profile or page profile, okay? And we enter the profile here. For example, I have only one, but if you have more, just write down right here, okay, and save. Each account seed 3 posts or how many posts if you want. I will go for 3, okay? For ID, each profile seeding 10 posts, okay? If you want to follow the profile or not, click on that. And react with emotion. You can choose some emotion to release and random comment about 10 posts, okay? And save script. After that, you choose multiple pages to start, and wait a few seconds, the process log will show you the result, as well as the result field will be the last one you want to see, success or failed. And that is about our video today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quang MKT for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.